nursery student, like they don't know anything about their like from English alphabet, and he is the one who had taught me like an English alphabet from my nursery to class 12. Now I think I am in class 12, and he has just taught me in the 6 months everything was possible. Like one thing I must say that whoever comes over here and anybody who wants to take must join HR training over here, and whoever comes over here, just one thing, you just close your eyes and just hear to him what he says, and just follow his path. Like nobody else can say something good like him, and he is one of the best teacher I can say, because I have learned a lot of things. Like I would like to say, like I was very much not confident. There was a lack of confidence in me when I came over here, and he is the one who has helped me out how to gain confidence, how to be in your own personality. I had just learned for everything from him, because he is so much confident in, and he has so much personality in himself that he has inspired me. So like before getting placed over here, I got an opportunity of giving an interview in the Crescent Foundry also. Maybe I didn't join over there, or due to some for my diploma classes, I was unable to join over there. But that was also like sir always say, failure is also a way to your way to success. Yeah, that I always feel that, because I went over there, and they had also like giving an interview over there. Maybe I didn't go over there, but it has given me a lot of experience in how to perform over there, how to give an interview over there. So in that way also I have given my next interview. And what I had felt personally is that, like, you must be confident enough, like you must have your own confidence within yourself, like you must be properly dressed when you're going to give an interview. Just think like you are going to celebrate something over there, so that you will gain that confidence within yourself. If you think, no, I'm going somewhere, like if you think I'm not going to get something, I'm not going to do good over there, then you will have that negative feeling within you. So I had always thought, I didn't think about that. And my interview was also during the puja, so I was already like full of positive vibes within me, like puja celebration and all. So I just had positive thing within me. I just like because my thing was that I had to go and enjoy with my friends. So that positiveness was there within me from the very beginning of that day. So I just went over there. I was like dressed up nicely. I was decked up and went over there giving my interview. I was just confident that the things they asked, I just have answered like which I felt was correct. And they had just, I would say that they like the way you perform yourself. You must be confident, and they check your confidence level only, which I felt was that more than your knowledge. Obviously knowledge is very much important, but they see how much you know and how much confident you are to say those in front of them, and that is the main thing. So I just given my interview in that day, and they were I think very much impressed with them, because they had called in my institute also, and they had asked them also that I can join over there, and they had given me a call also. And so I was like, and it is very much useful for me, because it is near my location. So I always say that location is a very a must for at least like where you are walking. A location is a very important thing you must notice, and that is very much useful for me, because I have just 10 minutes walking distance. So it is one of the greatest opportunity I got. So without thinking anything, like what sir said, so I thought of starting the job. Like I'm already joining it from the 14th of October, like from Monday. So that is the thing I would say, that just be confident, just have hope within you, and they'll just like your confidence enough, and just be who you are. Just don't try to act who you are not, and that is it. And just last but not the least, just act accordingly what sir says. And if you listen to him, then I must say then you are in the right path.